Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by grabbing essential data and tools. Do this now. First, pick a language model or curated dictionary so candidates are meaningful, then gather a small user corpus for frequency. Next, map your keyboard layout and common transposition errors. This quickly informs weighting. Create a code repo and a unit test harness to run repeatable checks. Once done, prepare a 500-line test dataset and a list of frequent misspellings so you can iterate safely and measure improvement. You now implement the detection and ranking pipeline. Start with candidate generation using edit distance and keyboard distance heuristics, then compute n-gram probabilities to capture usage. Combine scores. Frequency boosts common words, context models favor phrase-appropriate corrections, and penalty terms prevent overcorrection. Make sure to normalize scores and tune thresholds using your test set. Once candidates are ranked, connect the context-aware model, bigram or lightweight transformer, to choose the best replacement in multi-word contexts for fewer false positives. You finish by deploying carefully and measuring impact. Roll out behind a feature flag and run a /b tests to collect acceptance rates and real-world errors. Evaluate with precision and recall metrics, and iterate thresholds based on logs and user feedback. Make sure to add personalization and an easy override so users correct the autocorrect, not the other way around. If problems persist, lower correction aggressiveness and enable safe fail mode, so suggestions appear but never auto-replace without clear confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.